successfully made.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Horrible. Shit up in the rain, dude. It's November 7th. Time is 5:34 out here across the street from the Toys R Us in Wayne, waiting for the 7:44 bus scheduled to arrive here at 5:35. It's currently 5:35 now. I should have been here already. Been waiting here since 4:50 for the 7:44 bus. That's not shown up. Time is 5:42. Still waiting for the 7:44 bus in Wayne, New Jersey, across the street from the Toys R Us and Starbucks. It's raining and it's cold. Other people were forced to take the 7:48 to get home and then walk across to Paterson.
Church Lane. North 8th Street and Planten Avenue.